Hello, Bobcats. On the last video you watched, I told you that I was Schoology's #1 fan, and I am. But I'm also your fan, and I want you to be successful. If you know how to log into Schoology, you're ready to find your assignments. You might think to yourself, oh, I don't have to do homework, do I? The truth is, most assignments are not given as homework. They're given in class with time to complete them, either independently or collaboratively as a team. But what happens if class ends before you complete the assignment? You're responsible for finishing it later. And what happens if you're not at school the day it's assigned? Well, you're responsible for that too. So you see, just like this unfinished bridge won't get you anywhere, unfinished work doesn't count either until you finish it and turn it in, whether that's in class or on your own time. So let's say you get home after school and you hear, what's your homework tonight? The problem is, it's hard to remember after school what assignments were given way back in the morning classes, especially if you did sports after school and then you went home and had dinner. Again, this is where Schoology comes in, keeping you organized and up to date at all times, even if a long time passes between when the work is assigned to you and when you finally get a chance to finish it. So our learning target for this video is, I can use Schoology to find the assignments I need to complete. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is go to the Schoology homepage. It's easy to find because it's the Bobcat icon with Estes Schoology up in the upper left corner. Once you get there, which you can get there from anywhere, but once you're there, then go ahead and look for the calendar icon. That calendar icon is going to take you to, guess what? A calendar. And on that calendar will be assignments that your teachers have already entered. Notice this calendar has 3 assignments to be done. Now let's say that you've already finished this one. You did it in class and you do remember submitting it and you are positive that it's finished. So then the next thing you're going to want to look at is the next assignment, which is due a couple days later. So you look at it, you're not sure exactly what it is, so you click on it on the calendar icon. And what you'll get is a small window with a few details about the assignment. But let's say you need to know more. So what you're going to do is you're going to click the box that says View Item. And once you've clicked that, you will end up with the whole page with all the details about the assignment. Now, certain things are things you want to look for sure. First, you want to look at the learning target. What is it you were supposed to learn? Then look at the directions for the assignment. Exactly how are you supposed to show that you learned it? Then look at the rubric. The rubric's really important because it's going to tell you exactly what you are being graded for. Now, you don't have to read the whole thing. The important part is the highest score. How do you get the highest scores? Because that's what you're striving for, right? Now, once you know the learning target, the directions, and the rubric, now it's time to open any assignments that may be attached. They may be attachments that are for you to actually complete the assignment on, or they may be just resources that you can use in order to complete the assignment. So let's say you've looked at the assignment and you think to yourself, I am pretty sure I finished that. In fact, I know I did. And guess what? The cool thing is there's a way for you to find out. All you have to do is, to the right of the assignment will be this button that says Submit Assignment. If there's nothing under that Submit button, guess what? You have not submitted it. Now, it's possible you finished it and it's sitting on your iPad waiting for you to submit it, in which case, just submit it and you're done. But do make sure you've submitted every assignment, because no matter how much of it you have finished, you won't get any credit unless it's been submitted to your teacher. So have you met the learning target? I can use Schoology to find the assignments I need to complete. Can you do that? Can you find assignments now? Why don't you take a minute and see if you can look up the next assignment that you have, open it, and find out what the directions are. So we've done it. We've learned to log in and we've learned to find assignments. For our next video, we'll be learning how to submit them.